and maintain a positive and productive environment in the class. It is a big responsibility and a great opportunity to prove yourself as a role model for your classmates. Keep up the amazing work. The student didn't get the sash, don't be discouraged. There is a plenty of way to prove yourself. Here is the name of new students who get the sash. I hope they will fulfill their duties. Now I would call the name of students. Please come on front and take the sashes. I would like to invite Yoel Shokat from class 10. Please comment and review. There is one.
अगर किसी काबिल या तालबा की तरफ से कोई काम